how to schedule posts on METRICOOL. So first, go to your METRICOOL account, and then for example, I want to schedule a post on my Facebook page. So just click on planning here at the top, and then just click on create post. And then here you just need to, of course, create your post. So I'll just type in post example here. So let's say I'm done customizing or designing my post, right? So what you need to do to schedule it, just click on the arrow here at the bottom, and then of course click on schedule, and then just click on the calendar here and choose the date when you want to upload it. So let's say I want to upload it tomorrow or December 7th, and then I'll choose the time here, schedule it at 8 a.m. Then of course you can, so after that, let's say I'm done scheduling it, just click on schedule, and as you can see, now you can see the scheduled post here. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.